Alright, so welcome back again into this video. We will going to do a sample ordering using the mobile app, Android mobile app. In later day, Windows mobile. Sorry, there is no ordering, customer ordering in the Windows mobile, in the Windows application. But today, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how the customer can order through your app and how you can manage the orders of the customers. But before we proceed, let me deal with this to you. Let me explain this well to you. Okay? Make sure to understand this very well because our application or our mobile app is only for customer ordering. There is no administration in the app. What do I mean with that? It means that the app will be used by the customer to make an orders. And the management, the monitoring of your the order of the customer will be done in a browser or in a, maybe it can do it in a laptop or maybe in a mobile also, but using the browser because we don't have an administration in the mobile application itself. Rather, we will have an administration in the browser, in the web browser. So may understand this that admin versus user. So when you want to upload products, you want to add categories and create or monitor the sales and inventory of your store, it will be done here in the browser. However, but in the mobile app, you can only what you can do in the mobile app is for customer ordering and of course the offline POS, which I'm gonna show you after this video. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have here the application or the mobile app, right? So let me just end this presentation and let's go back to our website, the sample website that we have just created on the previous part of this session of this tutorial. And we have here the mobile app. Okay, so this should be the same. So let's refresh this one and make sure that the products being shown here must be the same with here. Okay, so this is Manila Online Shop, our sample store. So as you can see here, we don't have a cover photo. So you can upload a cover photo for this. So let's try to find a cover photo for this. Let's go to themes and then let's change this photo. Okay, so shall we say we are gonna take this image here and make it as my cover photo. So there you have it. This Amazon S3 web services. Anyway, it's just a cover photo, a sample for cover photo, and I have here a logo. So I'm gonna save that one and let's go here in my home. So this is the looks of my Manila Ocean shop. And if I'm going to refresh this here in my mobile app, it must shown its cover photo. All right, so I just refreshed the mobile app and it shows the cover photo here. So you must choose a cover photo. So in order to proceed this one, let us now do a sample ordering of the products and how you can manage it after the customer orders it. So for example, customer wants to order this one in his mobile app, so he will going to add this to cart. Okay, and then if he go to his cart or her cart, this will be shown here. And let's see if he wanted to, shall we say he wanted or she wanted to add this one. So it's out of stock, so we can't add it there. Shall we see this one, this hand soap here? So it's also out of stock. So let's do this one here. Okay, so this is in stock. So let's add to cart it. Okay, so just the two products. So let's make this two, this one two also. Then proceed to checkout. And this time, the customer needs to have a registration or a login. As you can see here, if we go to our web browser, the website version of your store, we can go to users to find out who is our existing customer. So we have your customers here. But if the customer is new, he or she can register a new account. Right? So because we have here an account in my user, in my customer, so I'll just gonna use this one and make sure that it will be the password should be resetted, or yeah, it will be changed to grocery at 2000. That's our default password. So I'm gonna copy this one and then paste it here. All right, and then the default password is grocery at 2000. Right? So let's log in. There you have it. It continues. Okay, same thing what happened to the browser. So let's go here, let's go to cart, and then let's proceed this checkout here, or these orders here. So once the customer proceeded with this account, he or she just need to place his location here and then put the address, the zip code, etc. And then the payment option. So once the payment option has been selected, then he or she can click the submit, and the order is now finished and it has been created. So, and then he could also show all his orders here. He will be redirected to his user account, to his, that is equivalent to the personal account here in the website. So let's see here in the admin account. So when someone orders it to you, then you can locate his or her order in the orders tab here in your website. So let's refresh this one and let's see if that order has been made or that has been registered here. So as we'll see, this is 9EB. So this is the order that was being placed here. And then you can update this one. Okay, just the same thing with what we have done in the previous ordering. So you can update the status from not processing to, for example, to processing, and then you can change that one. And then here in the mobile app, it must be updated as well. So the order must be updated to processing here. Okay, and then once everything is okay, and you can now make this in transit and then make this into complete. Okay, so as you can see here also in the mobile app, customer will be shown a complete or a updated status of his order. It is now completed. Okay, so the user can go, if he or she is in the home, he or she can go to users, and then he can see his orders here. This scenario here in the mobile app is the same scenario of, on what we can see here in the personal account. So if we go to personal and account, sorry, this is the account of the admin. So we can go to the account of the users itself. So this is Juan De La Cruz, and let's log out this one, this administration here, and log in Juan De La Cruz, and then let's enter the login or the account. Okay, and then let's go to his order. So this is the exact thing that you can see here in the menu of the mobile app of the user. So your account or your orders here, your account wish list, and then there was no raffle. It should be included here, but since raffle are being created here in the browser, so it will be in the browser. So same thing. So all in all, the mobile app is working very well, and you can now start accepting orders using the app by following what I have just discussed you in this video and in the previous video. On the next video, I'm going to show you the important thing here also in doing the mobile app, because I'm going to show you this POS system here. How can you do this one? How you can create orders using your offline POS system. Okay, so proceed now to the next video. Let's talk about some of the problem with the current app may have for your customer. So, because the customer, when they go, if they want to go to your website, they need first to log in our main website, which is Cosmic Lab Store. So as you can see here, if the customer wanted to go to your website or to your online store, they're gonna need to download the app first, and the app name is Cosmic Lab Store. Okay, not under your name. And if they open Cosmic Lab Store app, the online store that is the default store that will be shown to them is my own or my main website, which is Francis Online Store. It's gonna have some trouble with your customer because they might be order in that website and not in your website. And because after they do this one, they're gonna need to go to store to find your store there. And there are a lot of stores that will be listed here. And they may accidentally find another store, your competitors here, and they may end up not ordering in your store because they're gonna need to search first their store here. So if they have your website ID, so they can put your website ID here, or they may also type or search your website here. So we say Manila, and shall we say online, okay, online. If he or the customer will type online, okay, they may show more stores here than your website. So let's say that's online for what, but what if Manila? They're gonna type Manila because that was your instruction to type Manila, and they're going to see stores with the name containing Manila here. Okay, so they may end up landing in a website online store that is not your store. That's why the solution is for you to consider upgrading to a dedicated account. So go to Francis, or you may, or if you find a button down below, you will going to redirected to this website here or to this page here. So it's the details of the dedicated account, because here in the dedicated account, you will going to have your own mobile app. The mobile app here is no longer Cosmic Club Store. The name of the mobile is no longer Cosmic Club Store. There you have it. But the mobile app name here and the app name or the icon name that will be placed in here is no longer Cosmic Club Store, but rather your choosing your business name, or maybe your choosing name for your store. Right? So consider upgrading to dedicated club store or dedicated account. Link to this page here can be found in the button by clicking the button below this video, or maybe some link upward here. Okay, thank you and have a good day.